Hello guys, welcome to Station to Lessons. Please, after watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Also, don't forget to follow my social media platform, the likes of Facebook and also TikTok. Right, takapira question panapa. Then you ask you to solve the question. X squared minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. Right, so zvachikuda kuita panapa ndezvekuti kana iwe wakapirwa question like this one, then you ask you to solve the question. Whenever you notice kuti this one ndakapirwa is a quadratic equation. Why quadratic? Because the curve, the highest power of x is a 2. The highest power of x is 2. So this one is a quadratic equation. Right, so there are several ways of solving this quadratic equation. But at some point, we want to use that method, not a method of finding the factors, the cofactors, the method of finding the factors. Saka, tiona kuti isusu pa circumstance yakaita se takapirwa isusu takapirwa panapa x squared minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0, right? Saka, like zvatinongoziva in general kuti isusu kana takapirwa condition E, first of all we find what you call the product of factors. The product of factors, no one say you just multiply x squared with its coefficient multiplied by minus 6, which is a negative 6. So here we get a negative 6x squared, right? So this one is what you call the sum of factor. If you sum up those factors, you get this one. If you multiply them, you get this one. That's the product. So actually, kuti isusu kana wakangopirwa question yako whereby the coefficient of x squared is a positive 1. Ma factors ako ndo ma answer ako. Tozona say izvozvo. Those are not tingoonesa kuti in short there is no need to substitute. So let's find the factors of minus 6x squared. Here the factors of minus 6x squared, if you multiply them, you get a negative 6. If you add them, you get a negative 5, which is minus 6 plus 1. Here are the factors minus 6 plus 1. You get a negative 6. If you multiply, if you add them, you get negative 5. So, like I said before, if the coefficient of x squared is positive 1, your factors are your answers. What you have to do is you just put x here. You just put x here is equals to 0. You just leave a space here so that you can substitute your factors. This method only applies whenever the coefficient of x squared is a positive 1. So the factors are minus 6 and plus 1, right? So you have now factorized your equation. You just equate to 0, meaning to say x minus 6 is equals to 0, or x plus 1 is equals to 0. Simply means x is equals to 6 or x is equals to negative 1. So that that's the simplest way of solving this quadratic equation using the method of factors, right? So no need to substitute whenever the coefficient of x squared. Just use this simple method. You just find your factors, then you substitute where there is here, you equate to 0, then you find the values of x. So follow my social media platforms.